All right, so if you're ready to go ahead and spend the time, focus on your success, and I'm committed to helping you. We have this huge vision, Paris and I, about helping the business community. And what we want to do at the end of the night, if you've seen the vision that we have, and if you feel like we can help you and we can impact you, and if there's anyone else that you know that we should invite to come and learn more about us, then please just tell me. Okay? That's what I'm asking at the end of the night. So let's go ahead and get to it. The picture I want to paint for you is the business owner who is striving to achieve a certain level of financial success and prosperity. And they're working to get to it and struggling in some cases, and others they're making some progress. But there's always setbacks. And what happens is, we all know as business owners and entrepreneurs, generally smart people, but what happens is you tend to focus in on your problems and don't necessarily have people that you can rely on to help you. People that are on par with you, that are business owners. There's only so much you can share with your employees. There's only so much you're going to share with your husband or your wife. You need people who are on par with you to help you with the challenges that you have. Think about a large corporation. A large corporation has a VP of finance, they have a sales lead, they have a marketing head, they have an operations person, they have the whole support staff, you know, even a board of directors. So they can bring a whole series of people to the table to focus on the business and focus on their challenges and figure out what's next for them. If you're a small business owner, you typically have this Dave syndrome, like the guy on TV, right, where you're the one who's doing the operations, you're the one who's doing sales, you're doing the marketing, you're the one who's looking for accounting advice, legal advice. So if you were to call all of your experts to sit at the table, if you're lucky, you're sitting with one or two people at the table. Most of us will be sitting by ourselves, right? So what the Nashville Success Summit is a way to help you to solve those two problems, to help you achieve more. Our vision is to figure out how to bring you the expertise you need in different topics so that you can grow your skills. There's a really famous book called As a Man Thinketh. Have you guys heard of that book, As a Man Thinketh? One of my favorite quotes is, "You do not attract that which you want, you attract that which you are." So what that really means is, if you want to achieve more, you need to be more. You need to work on your skills, you need to work on your vision of the world and grow yourself, because only by growing yourself can you grow your business and attract more into your life. So if you take a typical business cycle where you're starting at the bottom, you're building your business up, there's different skills and things that you're learning to build up your business, and then you get to a plateau. And all the skills that got you up to this point are not the same set of skills that are going to bring you up to the next level. So what you need is some additional training, expertise, and skills. The other piece of it is that we all know that businesses don't just rise up. Your revenues don't keep going up, right? Every one of us has cycles. And what we are intending to do is to bring this concept of business masterminds and roundtables where you're focusing on your business with a group of other people. So as you start to see the declines in your business, you have people who are helping you focus on that to recognize, first of all, that it's happening and give you some ideas on what you can do about it. So rather than having those declines for people who are in the business by themselves without pulling in any external device, what happens is you start to see their business drop off. When you've got enough people and enough intelligence and expertise focusing on it, you can really reduce those declines, you can reduce the duration of those declines and turn things back around. And that is our vision of what the Nashville Success Summit is to the business community. Does that make sense to everybody? So I understand and I recognize that every one of you is at a different point, and you're at a different level in your business, and so you'll have different needs. So we've created 3 different membership levels in this organization. The first level is one that brings you into the community. So it brings you into our membership meetings like this, right? It'll bring you into our online Facebook group. It'll get you into our newsletter. We'll do some on-site visits to successful businesses so you can go behind the scenes and see what they do. It'll help you to get into the community and have people to talk to. Then the next level up is the folks that are really focusing on their education and training. So as we bring in separate training sessions, keynote speakers, all of that will be included in your membership. In addition, you'll see Mike's here videotaping this event, but we'll videotape everything and put it all in a vault. So when you're at that level, you'll have access to every event that we have put on. And in addition, we've got an extensive library that our partner company back in Tampa has already created, and they're continuing to grow. So all of that will be available to you as well. And then our final level is what we're calling the platinum level, and that's for people who have already achieved a certain level of success and they want to focus on mastermind and they want to focus on the next challenge and growing their business to the next level. So this is where we really bring in the concept of the round table, where we sit face to face for half a day, once a month, or whatever the group decides they want to do, and focus on a very facilitated session where we talk about each one of your business challenges and provide some ideas and what you need to do. And we fold it into that an accountability program, because whatever it is that you talk about doing doesn't really count for a lot, right? What counts is what you go home and do and go back and implement in your business. And so we fold it in an accountability program that will help to keep you on task with the things that you said you were going to do, because we've all been there. We all know you go to anything outside of your business and you hear all these great ideas, and then you go back to work and the crises start to hit. Right? And you forget all about all those great ideas. You're laughing. You know what I'm talking about. So the accountability program will help bring you back around to those things that you said were important for you to do. And then also at that level, we'll provide a lot of different opportunities for you to share your business and your expertise to the community, whether it's through hosting one of those backstage tours, as I mentioned earlier, or presenting a training session or a teleseminar, a webinar, what have you. So that is the level of the platinum level. So I'm going through this very quickly in the interest of time, but I want you all to understand that we're just getting started. You all have the opportunity now to get in at the ground level and help us shape this organization. And we are running a special discount for folks now who want to join us as a founder at the platinum level. So if you're at all interested, or if you have any questions, stay with us after the program. If there's any discussion about finances, if finances are an issue, I don't want that to get in the way, because our vision is to grow the economy through small businesses. And so come talk to us and we'll work out some sort of a plan with you as well.